Oh, he's on the pavement as well. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a car right at the bottom. Right up his bottom. Just what we need on a Sunday morning is the whole contents of the fridge, which isn't just alcohol, emptied to get out. I've got a lot of it out now, but the vinegar absolutely stinks. Note to self, when travelling in a truck, do not carry pickled onions in the fridge.
Yeah. Okay.
Different view from Matilda's door this morning. How pretty is that? Glorious morning in Gloucestershire. Dear Vespa, where are you? Are you getting ready for France? Getting animal health certificates, aren't we? Yeah, good girl. Ready for our trip next week. Oh, is it?
Healthy, I know what you do, aren't you?
Stunning day down on the canal. Good morning on this frosty, beautiful morning. Look how rosy my cheeks are. Just out with the dogs. Mark's at the dentist, getting all these little bits tied up before we leave next week. Yes, he's at the dentist this morning. We've got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Dogs are all sorted. They were at the vet's yesterday. Just got to pick up their paperwork today. And that's the last little bits and bobs tied up, really. We've got to do a storage visit and swap some clothes around. Hoping put some summer bits and bobs in, because hopefully at some point in Italy in April, May, it'll be nice and warm. Just been to our storage facility. We leave for France on Tuesday. Just been and done a bit of a clothes swap. We only took a few bits out and we come back with all this summer stuff. Yeah. Not really sure where it's all going to fit, so wish me luck. Come on! Look at her just looking at me. Vespa! Good girl.
Because there's some bigger beans.
Ah.
As well as some little beans.
Did you know there was 2 boxes, Warren?
Versions. But I can keep those in stock.
Poached eggs on a say a sunny day, but it's not a very nice view, is it? Fits well there though, doesn't it?
I think so, because this is the key bit, isn't it?
Mock it up and see what. Oh, there's nothing to stick to this.
Nothing sticks to this stuff. No.
Okay.
See a feed.
Do you think that's not going to stick at all? This is our new livery, hopefully. We've been around the world to collect this today. It got stuck at the couriers, so we've had to do, what, an hour and a half Oh, he's gone. Driving back from my mum and dad, so we've had to do an 1.5-hour detour to collect it from Hereford. But we're hoping it will go on here. But it seems at the minute nothing wants to stick to it. So watch this space, wish us luck. So that will definitely stick because it's on the glass. Yeah. And it covers up all the cabling and... I know.
Granted, these are not from the same company. One's very professional and this is typical Amazon.
Yeah, this proper livery is from Uncle Luke's. And he's done some stuff for us in the past. We'll pop a link in as well. So, right, here we go. Ta-da! Take you straight to Lobster Adventures. Yep.
That's right.
Don't do that. Yep, I think so. Oh, that sticks.
That's the quality difference.
Yeah. This is one of those jobs that you think is a quick and easy. Although that's going on quite nicely.
With the right tools and the right product, it's great.
Thanks, Uncle Luke. Yeah, just try one and like I say, if it doesn't work, then what is it? Let's see. We're not convinced that this is going to...
Just here.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
That low.
Yeah. Are you helping? Good girl. Well, let's all help, yes. Oh no, I don't want kissing in the face now. Ginger dog must help.
The sticker stays on, it rips it straight off.
Rips it straight off.
There's nothing sticking to it.
Who said buying a truck was going to be fun?
It's fun, with a hint of stress and awkward.
Well, let's see.
How we can loyally this up.
No. Shape it is, isn't it?
What?
It's not the same circle as the...
No, that's the brand logo.
Moment of truth. Oh, at least it's sticking.
Decent vinyl, isn't it?
This is not where it was meant to go. It doesn't want to stick on the new locker boxes. That's because of the Raptor, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we just thought for now, go on the back window. And at least people will know who we are. Sorry, I've got a wobbly hand. You ready, Vesp? You just get jumping around. Get ready for... We're off today, off down to Folkestone. Ready for the tunnel tomorrow. I was just trying to fit everything in. We're quite full. It's a good job. Good job we're not on a weight restriction.
Well, that's one thing you do have to worry about.
Look how clean she looks. It makes such a difference.
You haven't finished yet, but one more side. The apprenticeship is not over yet.
we are leaving Gloucestershire, heading down to Folkestone.
Real day one.
Yes, it is. This is it. To get on the tunnel tomorrow, head across to France, and that's it. That's where we start. 3 months. The next 3 months in Matilda, in Europe.
Month in France, 2 months in.
You ready, Rubes?
To France.
As you can see, he's not really here.
The little one's all curled up like a muscat.
Yeah, I can't see her down there. She's in there. Right.
See you soon.
There she is. We have just arrived on our first official campsite with Matilda. We weren't sure what reception we were going to get. Actually, it couldn't have been more welcoming. We are about 9 miles from the Eurotunnel at Black Horse campsite. It's a caravan and motorhome campsite. Perfect. Look at that nice big pitch. We'll do a little tour later, but there you go. Quite quiet this time of year in February. You can just see us parked over there. Can't miss us really, can you? Really lovely big pitches. So this is the entrance up here, and this big block here is the shower and toilet block. And I must say the showers are phenomenal. There is a washing up area, there's your wastewater and freshwater top up. There's a laundrette, little laundrette there as well. Male and female showers. Triton power showers. I had the longest shower this morning washing my hair. It's amazing. Yeah, and then you go. See, pictures are lovely and big. Really welcoming as well. Can't recommend it enough if you're getting the Eurotunnel or the ferry from Dover. Fantastic little site.